Hi everybody, welcome back to Cantonese Food Recipes. I'm Andrew and today I'll be showing you guys how to make some smooth and delicious steamed eggs right from the rice cooker. So let's begin. Let me show you guys how this is done. Very easy and simple. With a few ingredients, you will have a delicious side dish for dinner. Okay guys, so for this recipe, over here got 300 ml of lukewarm water. We'll be just using adding in 1 teaspoon of salt, and here is 4 eggs, and this it can feed for nearly 3 people guys. Okay, first we just gotta crack the 4 eggs. Afterwards, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. All around. Okay, first we're going to whisk it. I'm just using my chopsticks here. Very easy, quick and simple dinner guys, and very fast. You'll be impressed how fast this recipe is. Okay, after it's whisked, we can add in our 300 ml of lukewarm water. Okay, now we can also just whisk that up. Okay, after the eggs is whisked, we're just going to use a tablespoon to take out the bubbles. So yeah, just take out these bubbles and just pack it away. Okay, once we got rid of the bubbles, as you can see, we'll put it into our rice cooker. Or you can put it in your steamer. The reason why we get rid of all these bubbles is because if you left the bubbles and you steamed it, after you steam it, it will look very old and like cracked. So if you do it like this and you steam it, after you steam it, it'll be very smooth and yeah, bubbly and all that stuff. It won't be bubbly but very smooth. So but when you're steaming, you also need like an extra plate to cover it on top so that it doesn't go old. So let's put this in the steamer now. Okay, over here we are making ourselves rice, so you can just put it in your rice cooker with your rice, and then we can cover it with the plate. Okay, once the plate is covered, we can just put our lid on and then let the rice cooker do its job. If you're using a steamer, you steam it for 15 minutes. Okay, let's switch on the rice cooker. Let the rice cooker do its magic, and then we'll be back to see how it went. Okay guys, check out the steamed eggs that we made. 3 ingredients. Just check at that. Delicious steamed eggs. We just gotta add in some oil and soy sauce and check that out. Very easy to make guys. Perfect for any dinners, side dinners. Time to bring in the rice.